What's up guys, today we're playing tank game, so let's get started with it. Grinding, like it's not even that bit. Grinding, everything I'm minding my own business. Today we're gonna check out the grinder, so we will only become grinders, because it's not even my minders. Why do I have it like forever? Not even that Trevor. Okay, yo, I'm reviving. Now I have the protocol. Now I can do this again. Now I can do this again. And also with this. And also with this. I'm a little sick, so don't tell me I am not sick. I mean, sorry. Sorry I'm sick, okay? Okay, so 5 in body damage. Let's get tank speed. 5, we got 4, we got 2 max health and 2 health regen. Yes, it is good. Oh my gosh, let's go trade some people. Where, if I was a guy, where would I be? Oh, let me just read these real quick. Oh. Is someone flying? Oh no, it's dust. Dust. Cheetos, dust, Cheetos. You can catch up with me. You can catch up with me. You can catch up with me. Oh, you could actually can catch up to me. But I will be a Tostitos bag of Cheetos. Okay, this is some things, so let's get the max health up and let's shred some things. Like, you don't need to shred, you don't need to get the grinders, just if you're a PvP guy, I don't think you will like this, because it's literally like, let me grind you to death. I'm setting a bounty on you. Let me revive. Man, why? What did I do? I'm reviving. Now, 7, 5, and 5. Okay. Sorry, I forgot to get that. Grinder. Okay, grinder. Okay, grinder. Okay, I'm gonna grind my whole way. Yeah, no, I'm not coming to you. You're just a scumbag. I don't know what to put. Oh, so. I don't know what I just put it, but I have 5,000 more. So let's put some tank speed. Let's put some tank speed and body damage. You know what? I'm not getting to top speed. I don't need my speed, because I'm always in the lead. Mark Robber. A bounty. Oh, fine. I'm just gonna revive again. Hey, What is even? Okay, I'm in console. I don't know what A is. 7, 7, 7, 7, and this one is 8. Now let's get the grinder. What is after the grinder? I could get nothing. What happened? Okay, I got a grinder. Yeah, it's not my mind. Yeah, I will rewind. Okay, I'm just respawning. I'm not spending that much Robux. You know what? In this video, it's not all about grinders. So, let me put... Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. Okay, wait, maybe we are a grinder. Okay, grinder it is. Get my grinder. Grind. Why am I blue? Why am I shining blue? Why am I blue? Why am I blue? How the... Fine, I have to do it all over again. This time I'm bleeding all... Bullet speed, okay, not bullet speed, okay. My bullet is so fast. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Now we're focusing on damage. Focus on damage. You know what? Next video I'll actually change my skin from Germany to something else. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay? Yeah. Fine. We're going for the double because you don't know how good a double is. So let's go here. Gifts, okay. Like, I hate Xbox. I don't know why a lot of people like Xbox. Like, it's not even that good. Xbox. Imagine saying Xbox. I hate Xbox. I don't even know what Xbox is anymore. I don't even know. I only know the controls for Xbox. I hate Xbox, actually. No, I'm just kidding. I don't hate it. Anyways, shout out to all the Xbox players and console players. These guys are the best. And I am also a console player, so... But I'm still not the best. Okay. I'm not finding anyone. Why? Oh. Yeah, I'm not letting that. Okay, bye. God. Annoying. As hell. Now you can put it all on damage. Oh. Only 10 damage. That good. Anyways, let's get the ranks and... Okay, play for 5 minutes, get a code, whatever, buy a product. Join tomorrow, I think is the best, okay? Wait, there was claim, whatever. Anyways, let's claim the whatever they think we are. Okay, so we'll end off the video here, so bye.